I'm going to talk about some of the more advanced features in docSAFE, those features that you won't necessarily be using that frequently, but you can see some of the additional benefits that you can derive from docSAFE using these features. You'll see here that I've entered the working panel for a folder within a client called ABC Limited, and I've drilled down to a subfolder called Personal. In any of the folders you will notice a series of icons across the top. In previous videos we have covered this icon, which is to upload documents. These other icons, this first icon allows you to rename that folder at any point. The one next to it allows you to move files from one folder to another. The benefit of this is that you may wish to archive a series of folders, a series of files into a new folder without having to take them out one at a time. The next icon along is folder access permissions. This icon allows you to give different permission rights over different folders to different users. So by clicking on this button you can agree any combination of users for that client who can have access to that particular folder. And finally, along the top here, you're able to delete the entire content of a folder. Further information that you'll see on this screen, against every file that has been uploaded, and obviously in docSAFE you can upload any type of file, any format that you wish, doesn't matter if it's a PDF, Excel, Word, a database file. Against every file that you've uploaded, you'll see various columns. These columns give you further information regarding this particular file. You'll see when the file was last modified, the day and the date, the size of that file. The next column along, EXT. docSAFE uses this column as a security feature. Against every file that you place on the system, you can quickly toggle on and off the ability for users to see it. So if you want to put files and documents in, but you don't want users to see them at any time, just simply tick this box and they will become invisible to the user. The staff members will still see them, and as soon as you click them back on, any users will be able then to see them and access them. Further icons along here, this is quite important in that if you click any of these icons here, you'll see a document history. Let's see if we can find something with a document history where you can see anybody that's accessed a file. There you go. You can actually see the full history against that file, so it offers you a full audit trail on that particular file. Also within the working screen you'll see a little dustbin where you can delete that particular file, and depending on the way you've uploaded that file, it may be deleted by either the client, a staff member, or a specific member of staff, depending on the settings that you used when you first uploaded that file. So that gives you an overview of the working panel within docSAFE and some of the extra features that you'll see every time you're in.